These are the braised brisket tacos at Beet Bistro. I'm going to start with making the fresh salsa. Salsa changes seasonally, and we try and buy as much as we can from local farms year-round. And we're really lucky to have farmers who grow greens in the winter and a lot of storage crops. We have locally grown red onion from Long Days Farm, apple from Saratoga apple. Squash gives the salsa a little crunch, so I just use it raw. These are Thai chilies, so I don't use the seeds because they're really spicy. Mildly spicy sweet peppers grown on the alleged farm. Now I'm going to make a little cabbage salad that goes on top of the tacos, quite a bit of lime juice and salt, and it's tossed with our chimichurri sauce. Now I'm going to heat up the taco meat. This is our beer braised brisket. I heat it up with some of the beer and onion braising liquid. These tortillas are from a company in Western Massachusetts made with heirloom corn grown there. The pan has to be really hot when you put the tortillas in so they get a nice little tiny bit of char on them. So now the meat has crispy parts, soft parts, still juicy. Limey cabbage, salsa. This is crema. It's made with local poblano peppers.